Welcome to your 4-minute meditation. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take this moment just for yourself. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently exhale. Once more, breathe in deeply and release fully. Allow your shoulders to drop, your face to soften, and your whole body to arrive here, now. Bring your attention to the breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each inhale and each exhale. Now imagine your thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky. Each time a thought appears, notice it and let it float by. Just like a cloud carried by the wind. There is no need to hold on, no need to push anything away. Simply breathe, watch, and let go. Return again and again to the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Calm, steady, present. Now let the image of the sky slowly fade. Come back to your body, here and now. Notice your breath moving naturally. Notice the space around you. And gently bring small movement back into your hands and feet. Take one last deep, refreshing breath in and exhale fully. When you are ready, softly open your eyes. Well done for completing this 4-minute meditation. If you'd like to go further, join me in the 5-minute practice, where we'll go a little deeper into the breath. Thanks a lot, and see you on the Relax and Calm Down YouTube channel.